Hello everyone, good day and thank you for joining us. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can get a current date on Excel. So how can you get your current date in Excel? So this is where I'm going to be using the today function. So the today function allows you to be able to get your current date in Excel. So I'm just going to type equals to and type today. I can see the function, it returns the current date formatted as a date. This is my current date now. So you can see as at the time of producing this video, this is the 1st of March 2023. So this is also useful when it comes to calculating the age of individuals. For example, now I can just come to this place and just say equals to year. So it's going to it's going to give me the year of today. You see, I'm putting in the today function, then subtract it. So let's say the person was born in the year 1965, and then enter. So you can now see that that person individual is 58. You can also do that to get the month of today. So I can use that to get the month of today. So I can just use the today function, put it inside the month function, and close the bracket, and you can see it is telling me that this is in March. I can use to get the day of today. I can use it to get the day of today. So these are very useful when you are creating columns in a data set. For example, the day of today. So you can see day of today is what today. You can see that the day of today is giving me 1, so which is what first. So this is it. That's how you can calculate your current date in Excel. Thank you for watching this particular video.